Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I want to share with you a beautiful 8x8-inch interactive mini album I've made. Now, if you're new to my channel, I just want to quickly mention here that the way I'm making my mini albums is by using a mix and match system, which means that every time I'm making an album, I'm actually choosing my interactive page styles from a collection of 50 different interactive page styles. And then I simply mix and match them, making an album which is completely different to the album I've made before. I absolutely love this system and I have made so many different albums with it. And of course, you can make them for any theme or occasion. And then just last year, I've also created an amazing tool to use with this system. And with this tool, you can simply plan and create your album by choosing the structure of your album as well as decorating it using any physical or digital paper collection. So for everyone new to my channel, I will just link my information video on the mix and match system and how I use it and what you would need to also create your own interactive albums like this. And then I will also link the information video about my new digital mini album planner. Now, the album I want to share with you in this video today is a very special album to me. And that's because it's actually the first album I've created using a digital paper collection and also printing my own papers. And with my digital mini album planner, which is actually much more than just a planner, I can tell you that it was so much fun to do and I could be so creative. There were no limits to what I wanted to create. And the best thing is that I was actually able to use a digital paper collection by Echo Park, which I really wanted to use for years now. And that's the collection Alice in Wonderland, which is a beautiful collection, but because it's an older collection, I was no longer able to order any physical stickers or papers. However, with all the collections by Echo Park, Cartabella, American Crafts or Simple Stories, you can actually get the physical collections as digital collections. And to be honest, I was always afraid to use a digital collection because I was thinking it's so complicated to print your own papers. I had no idea what you can do with a digital collection and how this whole printing and also using digital collections will work. And that's exactly why I created this tool, and as you will see in this video today, there are so many possibilities when working with a digital collection, and I absolutely love how this album turned out. And as you can see right now, this tool is also the best tool for preparing all your papers for printing. So you can print all the papers you want to use in your album in exactly the sizes you need them to be in. And if you're interested in actually seeing how I created and decorated this Alice in Wonderland album, which I'm showing you in a minute, then there is actually a YouTube series on this album already uploaded to my channel. And it's a 3-part series in which I show you my digital mini album planner in use so you can see how I decorated each page and the album cover of this album. So let's continue with the project share of this beautiful album, and I would definitely recommend you to stay until the end of the video because, as you probably read by the title, there's also a sale in my online shop which you definitely don't want to miss. And because there is the video series on this album in which I talk about all the ideas behind the decorating of each page, I will actually not talk through the project share in this video, so I will just roll the clip of the album and you can just enjoy watching it. So that's what the album looks like now that's completed, and as you could see, I did add a few add-on styles as well, so these I actually didn't show you in the process videos. And yeah, as I said, I really love how this album turned out, and I will definitely use digital collections in the future a lot. I will still use physical collections as well, because with some brands you can't get the digital collections, and also I have so many physical collections in my stash, so I of course will use them as well. But no matter if I'm using a physical or digital collection, I will for sure never ever make an album without using my digital mini album planner. Because I'm really proud of this tool, and in my opinion, it's definitely a must-have tool if you want to create mini albums like this. It changes the way of crafting mini albums completely, and it's just so much fun. And as said at the beginning of the video, there is a sale currently in my online shop. It's an Easter sale, so it won't be on for too long. So if you're thinking of getting any of my bundle packages, then this is definitely the best time to get them, as they all will be on sale for 20% off. So there are actually two bundles available for all the page styles I like to use in my album. So each of these bundles include 25 different page styles, and they are available for the sizes of 8x8 inch and 6x6 inch mini albums. These bundles include all the cutting guides and templates for the page styles, and there's also a video for each page style to include in your album, as well as of course for the basics such as the album cover, the hinge, and the basic pages. But for more information on these page style and add-on bundles, I again recommend you to watch my information video, which I will also link in the top corner right now. And then now you can also get a bundle for all my folio styles. So I have actually 4 different folio styles, and they are available for 6x6 and 8x6 inches. And then last but not least, you can get my bundles for the digital mini album planner, and they include so much. So my digital mini album planner really, as I said, includes so many different features, and I worked on it for a whole year. So again, if you haven't checked it out yet, there is an information video in which I show you all the main features of this planner. So I will also link this video in my description box, as I said, but you can also just click on the link in the top corner right now. And you can get bundle number 1, which only includes the digital mini album planner, but you could also get the very large bundle including all my cutting guides and templates for all 50 different page styles, as well as for all 30 add-on styles, and then the mini album planner is included in it as well. So this bundle is definitely the best deal, and it's also 20% off right now. So make sure to check out the information box for the link to my online shop, and then I will just end the video for today. And as always, I hope that you enjoyed watching this project share. And if you did, I would love to get your feedback in the comments, as well as your thumbs up for this video. This really helps my channel to grow. And then also, if you haven't subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I see you in my next video. Bye!